Hi there folks, this is Tony from Murray Hyundai. I'm sitting in our beautiful 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe Ultimate Calligraphy Edition in the showroom. And a little hard for you guys to tell, but we're having a proper snowfall in the middle of April here in Manitoba. And that leads us into the subject for today, which is how do you raise your wiper blades for easy maintenance or access to when it's snowing or you want to replace the blades. So on a lot of new modern Hyundais, for fuel economy, durability, protection, your wipers, it's a little hard to see from this angle, are actually hidden underneath the hood. So that reduces drag, reduces wear and tear. It has a lot of benefits, but because it's underneath the hood, as you can imagine, it's probably pretty hard to change them. And Hyundai has a nice, simple, easy solution. So all you need to do is to access your wipers, is to turn off your Santa Fe, and immediately after turning it off, press and hold the wiper stock button and leave it in an upwards position. So I'm going to do that next. I'm going to turn off the vehicle. I'm going to hold this button or lever upwards, and the wipers are now easily accessible. So yeah, just a little feature for you guys that I think a lot of Manitobans will take advantage of. But this is Tony from Murray Hyundai signing off. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day.